Hello guys, today we're gonna review OnePlus Nord. So let's talk about display first. So coming to the display section, it has 6.44 inch fluid AMOLED display. So it will be one of the best displays I've ever seen. So there is no issues about display till now. It is so better than some of the Samsung's phones like M30s and M31 and so on. So yeah, display is one of the big plus for it. Coming to the next section, it has 5G compatibility. So it has a processor with Snapdragon 765G with compatibles with 5G. So it is a big advantage for some of the people who seeks fast network. So if 5G comes into the market, you will be the first person to enjoy it. Let's talk about the battery segment now. This phone comes with a 4115 mAh battery, which gives you a decent amount of battery life, like half a day. So, and yeah, in the box they will give you a 30-watt charging brick, which will charge your phone really quick, like one and a half hour. Next step, camera. So coming to the camera segment, it comes under a pro and a con side. So it comes with 6 cameras on the phone overall. So 4 on the back and front there are 2 cameras. So let's talk about the rear cameras now. So the main primary camera comes with a 48 megapixel FHR 2.0 Sony IMX686 sensor, considering with a 8 megapixel wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel telephoto camera. So I'd be saying these 2 cameras with 2 megapixels are trash. This OnePlus Nord comes with Android 10 including with Oxygen OS, which is packed with some crazy features. I'll be making a separate video about these features, so stay tuned. These are the main pro segment in this OnePlus Nord, and there are still some of the advantages to this phone, like it has one of the fastest in-display fingerprint sensor, and it has Face ID. And yeah, don't forget about the alert slider, which comes with all of the OnePlus phones, which is a big advantage to this phone. Coming to the con segment. First, I'll be talking about speaker. This phone comes with mono firing speaker, which is on the bottom side of the phone. So it is a decent speaker, I'll be saying, but if it is a stereo speaker, it would be more advantageous to this phone. Let's talk about the processor in this phone. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 765G processor with 5G capability. So you can game in this phone with high graphics and extreme frame rates without any lag. But if you are expecting some more performance in this phone, then I think you should check out some other phones like Realme X3 Super Zoom and Mi K20 Pro. So let's come to the conclusion. So if you are looking for a phone in which you are expecting some serious gaming and some more performance in a phone, so you should check out some other phones. Like there are other phones which give you some serious gaming performance, like Realme X3 Super Zoom and Mi K20 Pro. So I think you should check out these phones. These come with the same price segment, like 25,000 and 20,000. But if you are planning to get a phone with smooth Android experience without any bloatware and decent cameras and overall complete decent experience, then it is a perfect phone. I mean, OnePlus Nord is a perfect phone for you. It comes with 3 variants. The least variant is a 6GB 64GB storage variant, which comes with a 25,000 price segment, and the next one is a 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, which comes with a 28,000 price, and the last one is a 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, so it comes with a 30,000 rupees. And you should note a point that this phone doesn't allow you to keep a external SD card, so you should sacrifice with your internal storage. This should keep in your mind. So yeah, this is a review of OnePlus Nord. So if you like this video, this will be spectacular, and subscribe to our channel to know more about these phones and technology. So tap that bell icon so that you can be notified when we launch a new video. Thank you.